Welcome back to Python for Beginners. In the previous lesson, we created a simple calculator using Python. Today, we're going to take a closer look at arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are symbols that Python uses to perform mathematical calculations. Let's get started.
Future tech, we're breaking through. With every byte, we're born anew. AI rising, sky's the limit. Tomorrow's here, and we're the spirit. From zeros, ones to galaxies. We code our fate, we chase the keys. Future tech, we lead the way. Designing dreams and lighting waves.
First, we have the equal to operator, which is written with two equal signs, equals equals. Be careful here, a single equals is used to assign a value to a variable, while equals equals is used to compare two values. Since both numbers are 10, Python returns true.
Our future tech, we're breaking through. With every byte, we're born anew. AI rising, sky's the limit. Tomorrow's here, and we're the spirit.
Next, we have equals, which means not equal to. Python checks whether the two values are different. Since 10 and 5 are different, the result is true.
Future tech, we lead the way. Designing dreams and lighting wave. Rise with the algorithm beat. Silicon fire beneath our feet.
The greater than operator is written as greater than. It checks whether the value on the left is greater than the value on the right. Since 10 is greater than 5, Python returns true.
Tomorrow's now, we play the game with every spark. We redefine the edge of now, the brand design. Future tech, we raise the flag for.
The less than operator is written as less than. It checks whether the value on the left is smaller than the value on the right. Since 5 is less than 10, Python returns true. Now we have greater than or equal to, written as greater than equals. This checks whether a value is greater than or exactly equal to another value. Since the age is exactly 18, the result is true.
Designing dreams and lighting wave. Rise with the algorithm beat. Silicon fire beneath our feet. We build, we break, we dream, we dare. In every code, the future is there. Rise with the algorithm beat. Silicon fire beneath our feet.
Finally, we have less than or equal to, written as less than equals. It checks whether a value is less than or exactly equal to another value. Since the score is exactly 50, Python returns true. Remember, comparison doesn't mean Python will always return true. If the statement is correct, Python gives us true. If the statement is incorrect, Python gives us false. For example, 15 is not greater than 18, so Python returns false. Congratulations, Party Popper! You now understand the basic comparison operators in Python. In the next lesson, we're going to use these comparisons to make decisions in Python with its statements. This is where our programs start becoming much more intelligent and interactive. If you're following this Python Beginners series, make sure you don't miss the next lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This Future Tech Official, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Drones patrol the carbon sky. Cybersec with firewalls tight. We hold the code that powers light. VR real and truth in